Hello guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Burnham Park ng Baguio City at yung dalawang tiyanak nagre-reklamo na. Bakit? Why? Oh, let's go na there. Let's gonna tour our followers here in Burnham Park. Ayan, itutour ko kayo sa Burnham Park sa mga hindi pa nakapunta dito. At ayan nga ang view dito. Maraming tao pag weekend at lalong-lalo na ngayong Sunday. Wow, the dog is cute. Chow chow dog. Oh, you see? It's gonna...
Do you know Chihuahua?
Chihuahua? You want Chihuahua? It's the...
Chihuahua dog.
You want Chihuahua? Sikis?
Also me, it's cute.
He's cute like you?
Chihuahua.
He's crazy like you. Chihuahua?
Chihuahua is almost angry.
Like...
One Chihuahua.
you don't want Chihuahua? Here is the bangka. Kung gusto niyong mag-bangka, ang sarap ng hangin pag nandito ka. Let's go there. Come, Sikyos. Karina, come na. Let's go to the other side. There. Oh. You gonna tour our followers. You talk Sikyos. What will you say to your vlog?
Hi.
Hi?
Hi.
Hi everyone. You say hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi to my vlog. You say.
Hi to my vlog.
Okay. And then what's next? What's next? You should talk while you're walking. At sobrang tao, marami pa ring bisita ang Baguio. Hindi po. Come here. We will go there later.
I want to buy Chihuahua.
Why you want Chihuahua? The Chihuahua is bad.
Yeah. I also was angry that Chihuahua is cute. You get a husky.
The husky is noisy also. It is smelly. Wow. Papunta naman tayo sa Children's Park. Request nitong dalawang asungot na to na pasaway. Laging pasaway. Ayan, yung dalawang ito, ayan. Nakikita nyo ba guys, yung dalawang pasaway na to? Yung dalawang tiyanak. Who's the tiyanak? I will name you Zeki Chihuahua. You want? You're always telling Chihuahua, At ayan nga, ang daming tao dito sa bike area. Irina, don't ayan nga, ang daming mga batang nagbabike ngayon kasi naman Sunday. Maraming tao. Dito yung araw na sila ilalabas, kagaya namin, na laging busy. Ngayon lang kami nakagala. Yun na naman yung dalawang tiyanak. Laging pasaway. Nagpapaawat. It's a cute cat.
Do you want to? Do you want to? No. Do you want to? Do you want play? Do you want brown? Do you want good?
You win I'm gonna fix you like this. Okay, let's go.
Whoa. Ape, stop.
Zeki, di ba you want to
Wait.
become,
A
you
chihuahua.
want to vlog? Okay, you talk na. Now. Where are you now? Where are you now, Zeki?
No. Hi. Hi.
What's the name of your name? Oh? What is the name? What will you be? Nako? Mislead mo naman ako? Tayo sa Children's Park. Maraming kids na naglalaro. Ayan na nga, where will you play? You put that in the garbage.
Well,
You give it to Tita Ambit. I-shoot mo pa yung mandit ako ah. You wait, I'm gonna fix you something. Come first, you wait. Karina, you hold first this one.
I want
Karina,
swing.
you will video like that.
I want swing.
You want to swing?
Yeah. Do you want to swing?
Okay.
No.
Okay, you go and play na there. I'll be the one to video you. No. Okay. I'm gonna watch you.
Why do you love that?
Don't remove that one. I'll be the one to video you.
I want to train like a police.
Where?
I want to train like a police.
You want to?
Become a police.
You want to become a police? And then
Yeah.
you play na, you swing na because later on we will go and buy your Nemo.
Wait.
You go and slide na lang. At the slide first.
Diba I made it down?
Yes, okay. I'm gonna video you. Be careful, Karina. Ang daming kids ngayon.
Oh my God. Hello?
Be careful, Karina.
This is me. Hello? I'm scared.
You're scared. Why are you scared?
Because. Pizza! Look at this!
Ading is scared.
Okay.
Be careful.
I'm scared.
You go slide there na lang. You go in the sliding area.
Hello?